In this video, I'll show you how to enable volumetric fog in both Unreal Engine and UEFN. To enable volumetric fog, simply find and select your Exponential Height Fog actor. If you don't have one, you can add one through the Place Actors menu. The Exponential Height Fog is found under the Visual Effect category. When it's selected, scroll down in the Details panel until you find Volumetric Fog, and enable it. The exact same process is done in UEFN. Add the Exponential Height Fog, select it, and enable Volumetric Fog. I have added our Advanced Fog Asset Pack to UEFN to demonstrate how volumetric fog can look. To add the volumetric fog, I will be using a cube and the cheap volumetric fog material. Keep in mind that volumetric fog isn't enabled on lower-end hardware for both Unreal Engine and UEFN. I've also noticed that the fog material seems to flicker inside of the UEFN editor, but when testing the volumetric fog in Fortnite, it works perfectly fine. For more information about the Advanced Fog Pack and all its features, or volumetric fog, check out the links in the video description, and thank you very much for watching.